To code this in BlueJ, we'll start by creating that int I, which was starting at 0. Now, while I is a valid index, so it's less than the size of friends, we either remove the ith friend or increment I. So if the condition holds, then we remove the ith friend, otherwise we increment I. And the condition is the same one that we saw in that buggy version. We get the ith friend, and then try to find this person in the ith friend's friend list. And if the index of this person is -1, then we know that the friendship isn't mutual, and we should remove that friend. Now let's test it. Looks like our expectations match.